Now we are going to write a code to launch the Java frame. Our intention is to get an output similar to the ones shown in the slide 45. Let's create a new class. We name the class as serverdate_application.java. We put this class in the same package as serverdate frame. We click this particular selection here to create a main method. Click finish, and a new class is created for us. Let's put some code to launch the frame. In this line here, I've created a new object from serverdate frame. I named the object as server frame. We need to set the visibility of the frame to true so that it will appear on our screen. We save this class. Now we run this application. This is the first output from the server side. It looks similar to the one in slide 45. This means we are good as of now. The next step is we need to create a class that will generate a current date. Let's create a class. We name the class as date generator. Click finish, and date generator is created. Inside this class, we create a method named getCurrentDate. Does not receive any parameter, and we want this method to return current date in string. So we put the return type as string, and we want this particular method to be public, so we put the keyword public. Okay, so now the implementation will return current date. Then press dot to string. It will return a string date. Let's name it to current date. Okay, we import java.util and return current date. Save it. Okay. Then we provide some documentation for this method. So we put this method generates current date. So it will return current date. Then we save it. So our class is ready.